When your radiator's neck is cracked, the best way to make it look new again is by repairing it. The first step is to remove the cap and find the damaged section. Then, you need to prep the area with sandpaper and fiberglass cloth. Then, you can apply the epoxy using the included applicator brush. Afterwards, you can paint over the area to give it a shiny, new finish. One of the most effective methods of radiator neck repairs is to use the metal radiator weld kit. This kit works to fix a leaking radiator neck by melting the fill material into the base material. The process results in a strong weld repair, which can withstand harsh operating conditions. If you are not comfortable using a soldering iron, you can use a Blue Magic repair kit. You will also need a heat gun and a pair of gloves. A welder tip is an excellent option for repairing a cracked radiator neck. A plastic welder works great for this job, as it allows you to quickly and easily replace a damaged neck in your vehicle. The best part about an airless plastic welder is that you can use it to weld different metals together, so the repairs will be stronger than before. You should be aware of the fumes from this type of welder, though they are not pleasant. Another way to repair a radiator neck is to use a metal radiator neck repair kit. These kits come with pre-mixed epoxy that has multiple applications. It can be used as a gap filler or crack filler. Its tensile strength is 3,770 psi, and it's ideal for repairing anything from bumpers to dents. So if you've got an aging car, you may want to consider an easy, inexpensive way to fix a cracked radiator neck. When using a metal radiator neck repair kit, be sure to drain the fluid and clean the area with brake cleaner. Then, prepare the area with the epoxy. A clean surface is important, because the adhesive needs to bond to the metal. If there are any dents, sand the area well to improve its bonding ability. It's best to use a quick-drying metal radiator neck repair kit before applying the new part. You can also use a DIY metal radiator neck repair kit. If the leak is in a metal radiator neck, you can save a lot of money by repairing it yourself. This kit includes the tools you need for the job. An airless plastic welder is a must if you need to work on a car. The welder is a tool that allows you to safely melt a V-groove in a metal radiator. You can purchase a metal radiator neck repair kit. This product contains all the necessary tools to repair a metal radiator neck. Its machine-grade putty can be applied to any metal surface. It takes about 9 hours to cure and has a high heat-resistant component. If you have a plastic radiator neck, you can use the same kit. It will not affect the performance of the radiator. A metallic radiator neck repair kit is a smart investment for your car. An aluminum radiator neck repair kit will not only allow you to make an aluminum radiator neck repair, but it can also fix a cracked metal tank. Its epoxy can fix a small hole in an aluminum radiator neck and is strong enough to repair a large crack. Its adhesive can be used to replace a damaged radiator neck. The JB Weld Aluminum Radiator Repair Kit has a wide range of applications. Its application is not limited to the neck. The first step in repairing an aluminum radiator neck is to remove the cracked plastic. This is the most common cause of a leak in the metal tank. The crimp has to be replaced or the entire radiator needs to be replaced. Changing the plastic radiator neck is the best choice for a damaged one. It is easy to change. With a JB Weld Aluminum Repair Kit, you can easily replace the damaged radiator's neck.